Hello viewers, today I am going to show you a new fault with a Panasonic LED TV. The fault is TV is on standby mode. Look and see. The model number is th28D400dx. Now I press the power button, but there is no standby releasing. See, now I open the TV and see the motherboard. It's a combo motherboard. There is the power supply section. This is the 12 volt output, and this is the main processor IC and processing system. This is the total whole board, and this is the Ticon board. Now let's check the voltages of this board. I connect the power supply. See, the red LED is glowing. Now meter for negative is connect to negative, and main 12 volt is present. See the meter, the 12 volt is present, 12.06. Then the 12 volt is coming through this coil, 5 volt. There is the 5 volt also present, 5.19 volt. Then the 5 volt is coming to another voltage, process the another voltage. There is a 1.2 volt. Look, there is 1.27 voltage. This is the regulator IC, also here produce 1.2 volt, and this is the also a regulator 1118 IC, a double regulator, which input voltage is 5 volt. There is present 5.17 volt, and the output 2 voltage there 3.3 volt. 3.3 is perfect, and this 3.3 volt is coming to the memory IC 8 number pin, also present. So all the voltages are present, we can see here. So what the problem? The main problem is the processor. The main processor is faulty, but processor not too much heated. So it is the clear the main processor IC is fault. If the software is corrupt, there is the indicator is not too much glowing. Indicator is glowing lightly, but here the indicator is normal glowing. So I guess the main processor IC is faulty. Now I heated up the main processor with my hot air gun. Let's see what happens. But don't heating the processor too much, that the processor shift its place. Only heat it carefully. Just 300-degree temperature I set the SMD rework station. Then I heat the processor. After heating, let's cool it for 20 to 30 seconds. check the processor. If it's too much heating, let's cool it. In this position, the processor is not too much heat or not too much cold. I connect it to the power supply. See, the red light is glowing. Now I press the power button and see the green light is on. It's mean it's releasing from the standby. Now I again press the power button. Let's see, the power off is working. Yes, the red light is blinking. That's mean the power off. And again I press the standby key and the green light is on. But in this case, this is not a permanent solution for this. After some time, the IC is cooled down, and now when I power it up, let's see what's happened. It's again red light blinking. Sorry, not blinking, red light is glowing. When I press the power button, it not releasing from the standby mode. So you can understand this is not a permanent solution for this. You have to change the processor for permanent solution. Now I again heat it the processor and do the same procedure. Heat the IC and connect to the power supply. See, it's work again. It's releasing from the standby and the green light is okay, on. In this time the board is working fine and produce also the panel voltage 12 volt. But this is not a permanent solution. I say it again. If you want the permanent solution, you have to change the processor, because after some days or sometimes the processor is not working and does not releasing the standby mode. So you have to change the processor. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and comments. Thank you.